Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add downloadable files to your Weebly website. This is a great way to share PDFs, documents, templates, or any other files directly with your visitors. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Now, look at the left menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it. Right underneath, you'll find Edit Site, so go ahead and click that too. This will show you all the websites you've created under your account. Choose the website you want to add the downloadable file to, then look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click it to open the editor. You're now on the editor page of your website. At the top of the screen, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the tools and elements you need to customize your site. Now focus your attention on the left side menu where all the available elements are displayed. Scroll through and find the option labeled File. If you can't see it right away, simply click on Show All Elements to reveal the full list of options available to you. Once you've located the file element, it's time to add it to your website. Simply drag it onto the area of your page where you want the downloadable file to appear. This could be in a blog post, a resources page, or anywhere else that makes sense for your content. After you've placed the element, click on it to open the file settings. A menu will pop up and you'll see an option that says Upload File. Click on it and then select Upload File from your computer. This will open a window where you can browse through your computer's files. Find the file you want to make available for download, whether it's a PDF, document, image, or any other file type, and select it to upload. And there you go, you now have a downloadable file live on your Weebly website. Your visitors can click on it and download the file directly to their devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.